Hey everyone, this is your host Dave from The Bomb Smokes, and we're back. And guess what we're making tonight? Philly cheesesteak sandwiches. Now I made them before, but unfortunately I didn't have the camera rolling, and I didn't get any of it on video. It happens, you know. But the sandwiches were delicious. So I'm going to make them again tonight, and you're going to see some action. I'm going to have the camera rolling tonight. So stay tuned, y'all. Alright y'all, I'm going to try this Philly cheesesteak sandwich. And I've got me a high wire low pitch IPA. Camera not focusing in on it. So, got a new camera and I'm still trying to learn how to use it. I'll tell you what folks, it's brutally hot out there, and just the humidity is just unbearable. Well, for me it is anyway. Well, let's try this beer first that's new to me. Man, that's smooth. All right, here's my sandwich. Woo. Take us a little bite here. Taste the flavor in that meat, mixed with them vegetables and onions. That's awesome. I'll put a little garlic, salt on them. And the beer goes down smooth. Well, I'm glad I finally got it on camera this time. And I want to thank y'all for joining me. I appreciate all your support. I love y'all. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, press down on the red subscribe button and click on the bell. You'll get notifications of when my new videos come out. And if you like the video, hit the thumbs up. And remember, don't take this steak for granted, folks, because when it's gone, it's gone. Thanks again, y'all. Cheers.